नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। आप सभी को राधा स्वामी सिटी मैम में आप सभी का स्वागत है। सदगुरु एक ऐसी नदी के समान जिसका जल हमेशा निर्मल साफ रहता है। उससे मिलने पर आपके मन का मैल धुल जाता है। ऐसे ही है हमारे राधा स्वामी सत्संग ब्यास के पूज्य गुरु बाबा गुरिंदर सिंह ढिल्लों जी, जो महामारी के दौरान दुनिया की सेवा में लगे सेवादारों का लगातार हौसला बढ़ाते हुए उनके सवालों का जवाब भी देते रहे हैं। उनके मन की भ्रांतियों को दूर करके मालिक और मानवता की राह पर चलने के लिए प्रेरित करते आ रहे हैं। ऐसे ही सवाल जवाब सत्र में संगत यानी श्रद्धालुओं के अनेक सवालों का जवाब कैसे देते, जिसका कुछ भाग हम आपको यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं। अच्छा लगे, पूरा देखना चाहे तो राधा स्वामी सत्संग ब्यास के ऑफिशियली चैनल RSSB का लिंक भी हमने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया।
Radha Swami Babaji, thank you for giving us this bonus darshan. Babaji, when I was reading literature before applying for initiation, I think I focused a little bit too much on the bliss that comes with meditation and the sound and the light and other things. In doing so, I probably underestimated or misjudged the effort that a seeker has to put in to make that progress before one can experience such things. What would you say to me, Babaji?
Because the goal is as important as the effort, but you can only reach the goal with the effort. You can't reach a goal just by thinking about it. Now, in our planning, everybody wants to be a multimillionaire, but you have to work hard for that, no? Just with your planning, you can't reach it, can you?
I didn't imagine I'll have to work so hard to reach it.
Yeah. You'll never appreciate it if you don't work hard. Easy come, easy go. It's only when you sort of work with your sweat and blood that you learn to appreciate.
But some people get it easily and others don't. So
nothing in life comes easy, beta. There's a price to be paid for everything. Nothing is free in life. Nothing called free in life, beta.
Like when some people get initiated, they experience things immediately, almost immediately, and others keep struggling all their life.
That might be because of their past karma. If they've had a past association, their past karma has been good, maybe they'll experience it immediately. But then you have to cherish it. If you don't cherish it, it's finished.
Right, Babaji. So Babaji, in Huzur's question answers, sometimes he talks about lack of love, because of which you can't experience the sound and the light, or sometimes the veil of ego or concentration. So like lack of love, concentration, veil of ego, these seem to me like three different things. So how do we know what is?
Basically, love is the core of our being. Nobody can exist without love. But you have to experience it, na? So it's not that love is not there inside you. But today, in the materialistic world, you're not able to experience it in its totality. So through the meditative process, we are trying to focus to be able to experience it. Nobody can teach you love. Nobody can give you love. Love is there. You have to experience it.
So if I'm not making progress, how do I know which of these three reasons are applicable to me?
Only one. Lack of focus. The moment you're focused, you'll feel and start experiencing much beyond what your physical body will let you do.
Babaji, between sitting, forcefully for meditation for 2 hours versus sitting lovingly for 1 hour, what is better?
I would sit down better. I would try and complete my time irrespective of whether my attention is there or not there. How do you know that today I have love and tomorrow I don't have love? Love is something that comes and goes. You either have it or you don't. So beta, love, like I said, love is there. You have to experience it. It doesn't come and go. It's not that today you feel love and tomorrow you don't feel love. It's there. Be focused enough to experience it.
So Babaji, during this...
What is lacking is your focus.
Thank you, Babaji.
आज का सवाल जवाब आपको कैसा लगा? अपने विचार हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर दीजिएगा। अभी के लिए धन्यवाद। एक बार फिर हाजिर होंगे कल नई वीडियो के साथ।